Realize everything again. So Euclidean algorithm is an algorithm that we're gonna find all the divisors of an input integer, right? Okay, so we have to enter the integer, and we're gonna initialize the primary list as a new set, and then we're gonna use the loop to add elements into the set. Okay, yeah, and after that, after the loop has been complete, we are gonna print out the list. That's our goal. But here's the problem: is our strategy for decision about primality is still having an error, right? So let's try it again. All right. All right. So let me search for Python program. To find pram in a given range, of course, because we have to find in a range because yeah, otherwise we're gonna run into an error. Okay, so here, yeah, so we enter the lower range and enter the upper range, and if num is bigger than 1, we're gonna, yeah, if there's a divisibility, it's gonna we're gonna break out the loop, because obviously divisibility is for composite number, not prime, right? Because divisibility is divisible is what is a characteristic of a composite number. So for prime, it only has two divisors, one in itself, right? So because we started from 2, the divisibility is not valid. Okay, so that's why this algorithm gonna work. All right, so okay, so the upper range and the lower range and print num. No, we're gonna create still an empty list, the prime list. Okay, initialization. No, it's a square bracket because we are not using a dictionary. We are using a list. Dictionary is for is another data type. All right, for num in range, print num. We're not gonna print num. We're not gonna prime list dot append. Okay, prime list dot append. All right, and we're gonna print a prime list. List of prime numbers on the range. This is on the range. Okay. Prime list. I think we are good. So let's save and hit and run. It is valid. 0 to 10. Alright, so that's correct. Ok, xong việc. Các bạn có câu hỏi nào không nhỉ? Đúng rồi. Thuật toán mình discuss nãy giờ ấy, đúng rồi, mình chỉ check cái divisibility thôi. Mình phải start with 2. Mình bắt đầu với 2 ấy, bởi vì chia hết cho 1 thì hiển nhiên rồi. Mình phải bắt đầu với 2. Ok, mi. Không. No. Yeah. Upper cộng 1 bởi vì đấy là syntax. Alright, so that's the lesson for today. So if you have any extra questions, please ask me. Okay, so without further ado, if there's no extra questions, I'm gonna end the class today. Okay, so thank you very much for joining in. I'm gonna send the slide and the answer over, so please have good revision. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah.